morning, South Florida. The Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show is back, taking over the Hall of Fame Marina and the iconic Pier 66. So drop anchor and join the experience, because this week all eyes are on Fort Lauderdale.
Yachts are in, the teak is clean, and IYC's team is looking forward to welcoming you to our largest ever lineup at Pier 66. Come say hello tomorrow at our stand-up flip.
Let's make it super good and just for Matt. Pump it up!
Well, this morning wasn't quite what we expected, but the sun is out now and it's a beautiful day here at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. Please come out, enjoy our VIP events, and join us for a cocktail at the IYC stand.
We're here with IYC's largest lineup to date, here at Pier 66 with 12 boats.
IYC has a great lineup of yachts for you to tour.
Whether it's experiencing the sun deck,
relaxing in a beautiful main salon, or
asking technical questions about the vessel,
the whole team is ready to help you with all your needs.
Today is the last day of the show, another successful show for IYC. We'd like to thank all the people that make it possible, especially the captains and crew.